Governor Newsom considers the homeless population to be vulnerable to this virus as he works with local leaders to get them into motels. Local community members are also stepping up to help provide services to the homeless during the coronavirus outbreak. KSBY News reporter Alice Becerra spoke to a couple of volunteers and has more on their efforts.
Megan, a local advocate for the homeless, says that having people want to cook meals for the homeless hasn't really been an issue, but where he's run into some trouble has been trying to find people to volunteer to distribute the food. As the shelter-at-home order continues in the state, advocates for the homeless say they are happy to step up now more than ever to help those in need.
It's going to be one of those conditions where if you get the coronavirus, you're much more likely to die from it.
Tim Wong says he set up a volunteer program every Saturday at Laguna Lake Park in San Luis Obispo to get meals to the homeless during these difficult times.
The food bank has actually increased the amount of food we've been able to get and has charged us less, and much of it, more of it is even free, that we used to pay a small amount for through our nonprofits, and now it's free, and they've probably increased the amount of food we've gotten 5 or 10 times.
Wog says finding volunteers that will want to help distribute the food has been difficult recently since most are in the most vulnerable category. He adds that although the number of volunteers handing out food has decreased, he still has to manage to hand out around 300 to 400 pounds of food a week. WOG has set safety procedures for volunteers that help maintain the safe distances.
We maintain 8 feet from the table. We ask them what they want. We put it on the table. We back away from the table. It's all in plastic bags. And we tell them when all the food is ready for them to walk up to the table and pick up everything off the table and walk away.
Another local volunteer says she is helping collect masks for the homeless, but also helps feed around 50 dogs that are owned by those who are homeless in the county. She says she's recently had to explain the shelter-at-home order to one of the people she helps.
He said, well, does that mean I have to stay in my tent? I said, I don't know. I don't know how they're going to do that.
Marianne says the food donations for the dogs are running low, but those who can still donate should head to Animal Health Clinic in San Luis Obispo.
Now that this pandemic has hit, we all see that we're all just a couple of paychecks away from being on the street ourselves, possibly.
Both Marianne and Tim say they understand the concerns from the public, but want to urge the community to not forget about the homeless during these times. Alice Becerra, KSBY News.